Have you ever wondered how the internet and artificial intelligence will evolve in the future? It's a thrilling prospect. The fusion of these two powerful forces is happening at a rapid pace, becoming an integral part of our daily lives. From social networking to online shopping, they're everywhere. Imagine the potential of AI, like ChatGPT, in revolutionizing the digital landscape, going beyond what we currently comprehend. So, what if we could biohack the internet using ChatGPT? What does that even mean? Let's delve into that. Biohacking usually refers to managing one's own biology using a combination of medical, nutritional, and electronic techniques. But in the context of the internet and AI, it could mean optimizing the internet using the power of AI. Now imagine the potential of ChatGPT in biohacking the internet. First, we identify areas of the internet that could be improved. Perhaps it's the way we search for information, or how we interact with online platforms. Then, we utilize ChatGPT to analyze vast amounts of data, learning from patterns and predicting future trends. Next, we implement changes based on these predictions. Maybe it's a new algorithm for more efficient data processing, or a smarter way to personalize content for users. Finally, we don't just set it and forget it. We continuously monitor and adjust the system for optimal performance, ensuring that the internet keeps evolving and improving, just like us. This is just a glimpse into the potential of AI in shaping the future of the internet. The possibilities are limitless. This might sound like a concept straight out of a science fiction novel, but the truth is, the future is here. Artificial intelligence is revolutionizing every aspect of our lives, from how we work, to how we play, to how we interact with the world. It's time to embrace these advancements and look forward to a future where the internet is not just a tool, but an ally. So next time you're surfing the web, remember, AI like ChatGPT might just be behind the scenes, making your experience better. The future of the internet and AI is not just coming, it's here.